Today, we are going to learn about how to change greetings in the Character AI app. If you are struggling to change the greetings of the chats or the characters on it, then don't worry, this tutorial is gonna help you with all of those problems. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now, tap onto one of the chats, just like this. Then here you can find the greetings of the chat, and here you can see the greeting was authored by this author. Now to change it, simply keep on tapping on the chat just like this, and here you can find the edit option just right here. Now select it, and you can simply remove the greeting just like this and add a new greetings just like this. Then tap on to edit, and now you can see the greeting has been changed. Now do the same process to change the greetings of the other characters. And that's it. This is how you can change greetings in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.